Removing your card on a SHEIN account is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the shein.com website on your device. Once you get into its website, click on your profile icon from the top bar and go into My Profile option from here. Now, from your profile, click on My Wallet from the dashboard. Then, in the Wallet section, you should see a list of cards you have saved. Find the card you want to remove and look for an option to delete or remove it. This option may be represented by a trash can icon, a remove button, or similar wording. Now, click or tap on this option to initiate the removal process. You will likely be asked to confirm that you want to remove the card. So, confirm your intention to proceed. Once you've confirmed, the card should be removed from your SHEIN account. You will no longer be able to use that card for payments on SHEIN.